Hello, I am Esther. For today's recipe, we are moving to Sicily. We are going to prepare pesto alla siciliana because pesto is not just the well-known pesto alla genovese, but there are a lot of more of kind of pesto. The word pesto comes from the word pestare, that in this case means to grind, because it is usually done with the mortar, but I will do the easy way with the mixer. It is a fresh seasoning, and you can use it even with a bruschetta or as a sauce, not just to season your pasta. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes, some basil, 2 cloves of garlic, some almonds, Parmigiano Reggiano, extra virgin olive oil, and some ricotta cheese. This is sheep's ricotta cheese. First of all, we have to cut our tomatoes and remove the inside the part with the seeds and the water. Put the tomatoes in the mixer. And start to mix. Add the garlic, the almonds, the basil, and the extra virgin olive oil, and mix again. Season with some salt and pepper. Add the ricotta cheese. And the Parmigiano Reggiano. And mix again until it will be creamy. Taste your pesto to see if it needs some other seasoning, as more oil or more salt or more pepper at your taste. You can preserve your pesto in the refrigerator in a jar for 2 days, but it's better if you use it fresh at the moment you do it. Please check the description box for the list of ingredients and some tips. Today I will use the pesto to season some macaroni. I asked the pasta man to do it for me because he can do it like a pro, not like me. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.